little friends! Today we're meeting a tiny animal covered in spiky quills. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a hedgehog. Let's learn some fun things about these little creatures. Hedgehogs are small and round with soft faces and tiny legs. They have lots of pointy quills on their backs, but don't worry, they only use their quills to protect themselves. When scared, they roll into a little ball. Boop! Hedgehogs live in gardens, forests, and meadows. They sleep during the day and come out at night to explore. They love to snuggle in leaves or dig little burrows to stay cozy. Hedgehogs love to eat insects. Yum! They also eat worms, berries, and little fruits. Crunch, crunch! Hedgehogs are always looking for yummy snacks on the ground. Hedgehogs are quiet and like to walk around slowly, sniffing the ground with their little noses. They're shy but curious, always looking for new places to explore. Wasn't it fun learning about hedgehogs? Now you know they love to curl up in balls and eat yummy bugs. Bye-bye, little explorers. See you next time.